Hey everyone, it's Austin, Finding Woods Kenworth here on YouTube. Salesman over at MHC Kenworth in Longview, Texas. Just wanted to show you guys this 2026 model W990 heavy haul unit. This one is sold, but I do have 10 more coming. We did add some things to this one. We'll get to that here later in the video, but hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate you clicking on it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm a salesman over at MHC Kenworth in Longview, Texas. Nationwide shipping, nationwide selling. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 682-558-4302. We can drop this unit off to your job site. We've got dump trucks, roll-offs, service trucks. We've got it all. We've got a partner that ships with us nationwide and will bring it to your driveway or your front door on a job site. Anywhere in the lower 48, we can handle it. This truck is one of our stock builds here in Longview. We've got a 605 horsepower underneath the hood, 18-speed transmission, big torque, 20K front axle on Goodyear, 425 floaters, pusher axle, 20K, and a 46 rear, 70,000-pound Neway suspension. 60-inch slide on this fifth wheel. It's a double locking top plate. Pusher axle controls are on the back of the cab. Easily adjusted here with your flip switch here. This one, which we'll get to here in a second, but we did add a 2-line wet kit. We did not do this from the factory. This is done, as you'll see, by Derek and the NUGEN boys down in Louisiana. Did good work on this unit. We did a 2-line wet kit, minimizer fenders, custom visor. The customer wanted a little bit shorter of a bow tie than what NUGEN offered, so they ended up making, I believe it's a 7x10 bow tie is what this one is. I'll have to double check the paperwork and see, but I'm pretty sure it's a 7x10 bow tie custom NUGEN visor. And then, like I said, we did a 2-line split tank wet kit. You guys can see there. And then NUGEN, it's got your hookups on the top, pushed it back. You guys can see there. So like I said, it's a fully loaded build, super nice truck. If you're interested in a heavy haul or any other units, give me a call or shoot me a text. Phone number 682-558-4302. Here's a look at the inside. Diamond interior, full gauges. You get your 15.5-inch digital Kenworth display, Apple CarPlay, navigation, so if you hook up your phone, you got Apple CarPlay, 18-speed transmission. This is the NUGEN cup holder PTO tower. We've got this on a toolbox seat here, CB hookup. Super nice truck. Diamond interior, got the diamond stitching on the steering wheel, the back wall. Super clean truck. So like I said, if you're interested in any trucks, I'll put a scrolling bar and a link in the description to our current inventory. Our 2025 models are flying off the shelf. Got them on clearance prices. 26 models like this one are rolling in. I've got 10 more of these heavy hauls coming. Got tandems, got everything we need right now today. So like I said, give me a call, shoot me a text, 682-558-4302. Make sure you get on Facebook and follow our MHC Longview page on Facebook, and reach out for any quotes or anything you guys need on builds. Still pretty quick in the build timetable. We're looking about 60 days from order to delivery. So get it in quick because tariffs are coming down the line. We've already got our first one out, as you guys have probably seen all over the place. So like I said, reach out. We'd love to work with you. My name's Austin Gilbert. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.